Hey guys, Raymond here, back with another tutorial on how to change your YouTube theme to dark mode. Now, if you're like me, you probably find dark mode really cool, and not just cool. Dark mode actually helps you browse at night while being easy on your eyes, so you won't get this big white ray of light shining into your face and into your eyes, which is kind of uncomfortable. But anyways, it's really simple on how to do it, and I'll show you right now. Pretty much, all you have to do is hit your profile picture, and then you'll get all these options right here. Change your appearance right here, and you'll see these whole bunch of themes. Use device theme, which if you have light mode on here, you can also change dark mode on Windows, but that's beyond the point of this video. But here, just you'll have it at light theme, or you could have it in the dark theme, which is what I have here right now. So yeah, pretty much all you have to do is go here, and that's it. You now have the dark theme on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.